Hello everyone. So today I'm at my grandparents' house, as you can tell, and I'm here with this old Emerson kool 28-pint frost guard dehumidifier, and I had to fix it a bit. I found it there, and I noticed that the fan was not running, and I could only hear the compressor going, and it doesn't get too cold. But it's a really old unit. I'm not sure it does really get that cold, but it gets cold. I think it would work better if there's humidity in the air, but I'm not completely sure. But I can hear the refrigerant going through it, so I know it's working. But here we go. We're going to turn it on, and you're going to get to see it run. There's the fan going in there. Here on the back side is the evaporator. So we're going to let it run for a minute and get it nice and cool. And as you can tell, this thing is very old. Here we go. Touch it. It's cold. Could be a bit colder though. But you can hear stuff going through it. You could definitely use a recharge, but you really can't do that, to be honest. Plus, the thing's really old. But it should work during the summer, or during the winter, during other parts of the summer, because right now it's spring in Minnesota, so there isn't much humidity in the air. But during those other parts of the year, it will work much better. But you can see fans running in there. It's working just fine. Ticking along, doing its thing. Get a test on this. It's getting a bit colder. Yeah, you can hear the refrigerant going around. The air coming out so it's warm. Not too warm though. But I think as it runs, it'll get better. Anyways, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Look how long that thing spins down. My goodness. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.